we're going to solve this super duper tricky math problem, and PEMDAS is going to help us solve this super duper tricky math problem. And PEMDAS is saying that division goes first. So let's write the 9 divided by 8 in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy, 9 over 8. Next, let's bring down the 2 and the 3 down, but in fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 2 over 1 equals 2 does not change the 2, minus 9 over 8 times 3 over 1, which equals 3, does not change the 3. Next, looking at PEMDAS, PEMDAS is saying that multiplication goes first, so let's multiply across. 9 times 3 is, here's the hand trick, so you drop the third number, so you have 2, which is 20, and then you have 7, 27, so I'll write 27 over 8 times 1 is 8, and this cannot be broken down further, 27 over 8. Now, I'll erase this for space. Actually, let me just erase the whole thing so I can write the 2 over 1 larger on the board. So here's 2 over 1 minus 27 over 8. And notice that the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method, and I will draw 2 wings, 2 antennas, and a body. So you multiply what's inside the wing, and 2 times 8 is, and here's the antenna, 16. Good job. And here's the other wing, and here's the other antenna. So 1 times 27 is 27. Yes, you write the numbers above the antenna. And then here's the body. 1 times 8 is 8. Please don't leave yet. I know you can solve this math problem quickly in your head. I'm just showing you different ways to solve this tricky math problem and get 3 different answers. Maybe we'll get only 2 different answers. But also, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. And if you subscribe already, thank you so much for your support. Also, give this video a like to show your support. And also, here's a happy face for you. And thank you so much for watching the video. And let me continue solving the math problem. Again, thank you for watching the video. And so the 8 goes below the fraction bar. That's our new denominator. And now we have to subtract 16 minus 27. So let's just turn those numbers around to make the subtraction easy. So we know that we're going to get a negative answer. So 27 minus 16, so it's going to be negative. So 7 minus 6 is 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So it's negative 11. So our numerator is negative 11. So the answer is negative 11 over 8. And this cannot be broken down further, so this is your answer. Now let's use long division so we can figure out the mixed number answer and also the decimal answer. So I'll write the negative 11 over 8 on this side of the board. I'll write the mixed number answer here, and then the decimal answer here. And I'll use the long division for it. So here's the long division symbol, and I'll write the 11, and I know the answers are going to be negative. So I'll write the 11 inside the long division symbol and the 8 outside. So how many times can 8 fit into 11? 1 time. And 1 times 8 is 8. And then we subtract. So 10, drop 8, 2 plus 1, 3. And then how many times can 8 fit into 3? You cannot, so we add a 0, decimal, decimal after the 1, decimal after the 11. We have the 0, bring it down, give it to the 3. Now the 3 becomes 30. Now you can fit 8 into a bigger number because you couldn't do that with just 3. So how many times can 8 fit into 30? Well, I know that 8 times 2, 8 times 3 is 24, so we're getting close to 30. 8 times 4 is 32, so that goes over 30. So we'll use this 3, write it up here, and then 3 times 8 is 24. Let me erase this, and that way we have more space. And we subtract 30 minus 24 is 6. You cannot fit 8 into 6, so the 6 needs to borrow a 0, so the 6 becomes 60. Now you can fit 8 into 60. But how many times can you fit 8 into 60? Well, I know 8 times 8 is 64. So that goes over 60, and 8 times 7 is 56. So we'll use this 7, write it up there. So 7 times 8 is 56. So I'll write 56. And then we subtract 60 minus 56. 60 minus 56 is 4. And then 8 cannot fit into 4, so we need to give the 4 a 0. So the 4 becomes 40. And how many times can 8 fit into 40? 5 times. 5 times 8 is 40, and 40 minus 40 is 0. So your decimal answer is negative 1.375. And your mixed number answer is this whole number, so that's 1. The remainder 3 goes above the fraction bar, and the 8 goes below the fraction bar. And there you go, you have 3 different right answers, correct answers. Again, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. And again, if you subscribe, thank you so much. Here's another happy face. And thank you so much, everyone, for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.